Let's be real, modern life is busy, and you don't need to do everything the hard way anymore. From daily kitchen essentials to smart upgrades for specific needs, these 28 gadgets are built to save time and make cooking easier for everyone. Check the description below for links to every product. Let's get into it. Number 1. Cuisinart Clearview Air Fryer. Cuisinart's Clearview Air Fryer is a total game changer because you can actually see your food cooking through the glass basket. No more opening it every 2 minutes to check. 5 cooking modes, goes up to 450 degrees, PFAS-free ceramic coating, and it preps, cooks, serves, and stores all in one basket. If you're air fryer shopping in 2026, this is the upgrade. Number 2. Full-Star Vegetable Chopper. This is basically the OG TikTok famous veggie chopper. And yeah, it lives up to the hype. Dices a full 5 cups of veggies in like 30 seconds flat. Stainless steel blades, dishwasher safe, and it just makes meal prep stupid easy. If you hate chopping onions, this thing's a lifesaver. Number 3. Amazon Basics Kitchen Scale. Simple, cheap, and does exactly what it needs to. This digital scale weighs up to 11 pounds, switches between grams, ounces, you name it, and has a tare button so you can zero out your bowl. Perfect for baking, meal prep, or keto tracking. An absolute kitchen essential. Number 4. OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. OXO basically invented the salad spinner, and this one-touch pump design still holds up as the best on the market. Dries your lettuce and veggies fast with barely any effort, doubles as a serving bowl, and the whole thing takes apart for easy cleaning. A total kitchen staple. Number 5. Cuisinart Electric Can Opener. If twisting open cans with your hands is annoying you, this electric one-touch opener does it all for you. Just press the button and walk away. Magnetic lid holder keeps things from getting messy, and it's especially clutch if you've got arthritis or limited grip strength. Number 6. Diced Lemon Zester and Cheese Grater. This thing is way more than a cheese grater. Zest lemons, grate Parmesan, mince garlic and ginger, all with one razor-sharp, stainless steel tool. It won't clog up like those old box graters, and it comes with a lifetime warranty. Small but mighty. Number 7. Spring Chef Vegetable Peeler. Don't sleep on a good peeler. This one's got dual sharp stainless steel blades that glide through skins like butter, plus a soft grip handle that's comfortable even for long prep sessions. Dishwasher safe, built-in blemish remover. It's a tiny upgrade that makes a real difference. Number 8. Mueller Vegetable Chopper, 10-in-1. Mueller's been making this chopper since 2013, and it's stood the test of time. 8 interchangeable blades let you slice, dice, julienne, and shred all in one tool. Comes with a food container to catch everything neat. If you meal prep a lot, this earns its space. Number 9. Astercook 13-PC Knife Set. 13 pieces, anti-rust coating, dishwasher safe, and it comes with blade guards for every knife. This set genuinely covers every cutting task in your kitchen. Chef knife, bread knife, shears, the whole lineup. And backed by a lifetime warranty, which is wild for the price. Number 10. Trend Plain Olive Oil Sprayer. This 2-in-1 glass oil dispenser lets you spray a fine mist or pour a steady stream, so you control exactly how much oil goes into your cooking. BPA-free glass, built-in filter, non-slip base. If you're trying to cook a little healthier, this is a super simple upgrade. Number 11. AUON Clip-On Pot Strainer. This little clip-on strainer attaches right onto any pot or pan, so you skip the whole hauling a heavy pot to the sink situation entirely. Food-grade silicone, heat-resistant, fits basically any size cookware. It's cheap, it's simple, but once you use it draining pasta, you're never going back to a separate colander. Number 12. Surativian Chicken Shredder. Stop shredding chicken with 2 forks like it's 2015. This twist tool shreds a whole chicken breast in seconds. Comes with a brush for easy cleanup, and it's totally BPA-free. Great for tacos, buffalo chicken, meal prep bowls, all of it. Genuinely saves so much time. Number 13. Ninja NutriBlender Pro. Ninja's Auto IQ blender packs a 1100 peak watt motor into a compact personal size, so it crushes ice and whole fruit into smoothies in seconds. Blend right in the to-go cup, snap on the spout lid, and you're out the door. Perfect for busy mornings or post-workout shakes. Number 14. Huggy Jim's Magnetic Spice Rack. If your spices are just sitting in a cluttered cabinet, this magnetic rack sticks right onto your fridge or oven side, and instantly frees up space. Rust-proof metal, easy to access, easy to move around. Such a simple fix, but it makes a small kitchen feel so much bigger. Number 15. Thermomonster Meat Thermometer. This thing reads your food's temp in half a second, with NIST-certified accuracy down to half a degree. Waterproof, auto-flip display, motion sensing wake up. Basically zero excuse to ever undercook or overcook meat again. If you grill or bake regularly, this is a must-own. Number 16. Stanley Quencher Tumbler. Yeah, the Stanley hype is real. This flip straw tumbler keeps drinks ice cold for hours thanks to double-wall vacuum insulation, and the handle plus cup holder-friendly base make it perfect for on-the-go life. It's basically become a lifestyle accessory at this point, not just a cup. Number 17. Yard Meat Chopper. 5 beveled blades chop and crumble ground beef way faster and more evenly than a spatula ever could. Heat resistant up to 447 degrees. Non-stick safe, dishwasher safe. If you cook a lot of ground meat, tacos, or bolognese, this tiny tool is doing more work than you'd think. Number 18. Tyluk Measuring Cups and Spoons. 10-piece stainless steel set covering every size you'd need for baking or cooking. Engraved markings so there's zero guessing. Stackable, dishwasher safe, and honestly just replaces those flimsy plastic sets everyone's had since college. Simple upgrade, but one you'll use literally every single day. Number 19. Bidful Magnetic Measuring Spoons. These double-headed spoons cover 7 different measurements and snap together magnetically so they never get lost in a drawer again. Stainless steel, rust-proof, and the oval heads fit right into narrow spice jars. Small detail, but it makes baking so much less annoying. Number 20. Sicily Sink Sponge Holder. This sink caddy has a rotating spout, so water drains right back into the sink instead of pooling on your counter. Holds your sponge, soap, and brushes all in one spot. Rust-proof stainless steel. It's one of those things you don't think you need until you have it. Number 21. Umite Chef Mixing Bowls Set. 26 pieces, 6 nesting bowls with airtight lids, 3 grater attachments, plus a full utensil set thrown in. Non-slip bottoms, dishwasher safe, stacks neatly so it doesn't eat up your cabinet space. Basically a one-stop shop if you're setting up a kitchen from scratch. Number 22. Chef Aid Silicone Spatula Set. 5-piece silicone spatula set that's heat-resistant up to 600 degrees, so nothing's melting on you mid-cook. One-piece seamless design means no gross food gunk stuck in crevices, and it's gentle enough for all your non-stick pans. A cheap but genuinely solid daily use upgrade. Number 23. Astercook Bamboo Cutting Boards. 3 different sized, deep carbonized bamboo boards with a matching storage stand, so no more digging through a cabinet for the right one. Reversible with juice grooves on one side for meat, smooth on the other for prep. Sturdy, good-looking, and doubles as a charcuterie board too. Number 24. Cassini Indoor S'mores Maker. Okay, this one's just fun. A flameless indoor s'mores maker with 4 separate roasting trays and forks, so everyone gets their own little station. No fire pit, no mess, just plug it in. Great for movie nights, date nights, or literally any excuse to make s'mores year-round. Number 25. Quellence Silicone Baking Mat. This extra-large silicone mat is 2x thicker than the standard ones, so it survives serious dough kneading and rolling without warping. Non-stick, no flour needed, and it's got measurement markings printed right on it. If you bake bread or pastry often, this earns counter space fast. Number 26. Quaidish Travel Utensils Set. Not exactly a countertop item, but if you pack lunch for work or love camping trips, this portable 5-piece set with its own case is clutch. Stainless steel, dishwasher safe, compact enough to toss in any bag. Small, practical, and honestly a pretty slept-on gift idea. Number 27. LNNIW Food Warming Mat. If you host dinners or parties a lot, this warming mat keeps your dishes at the perfect temp for hours. 6 heat settings, 6 timer options, and a child lock so nobody's accidentally burning themselves. Works under glass, ceramic, or steel dishes. Great for buffets, potlucks, or big family meals. Number 28. Grouncy Baby Food Maker. If you've got a little one starting solids, this one device steams and blends baby food in one step. Plus, it's got a sterilizing mode built in. Tried-in material, BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts. Not for every household, obviously, but for new parents, it's a genuine time saver.